Hello. Let's go over our words that we're going to be reading in flags, flap, and Ken and Mel. Oh, I just gave away some names in the story. Oh no. Okay, let's start out with some sight words for this week's reading. This word is as. Let's say it together 3 times. As, as, as. This word is hour. Let's say it together 3 times. Hour, hour, hour. I think you already know this one. Red. Let's say it together 3 times. Red, red, red. Very good. Probably know that one too. This word is that. Let's say it together 3 times. That, that, that. I know you know this one because you've been seeing this your whole life. Stop. Let's say it together 3 times. Stop, stop, stop. And I know my writing's a little bit messy. I'm using my finger. And you've all experienced my writing with my finger. So you know it's not always the neatest. Let's review these words real quick. Ready, begin. As, hour, red, that, stop. Great. Now let's move on to our next words. We're going to be working on more blends this week. Blends are 2 consonants that you will see and read very often. For example, this week we're going to be working with cl, cl, cl. Okay, this little dash here, this little dash line here means that there's going to be letters after it. Okay, so we're going to be working with the cl blend. We're also going to be working with the fl blend, fl. So we've got cl and fl. And you know I'll be doing them that way when we do the words. Those are blends at the beginning. That's why the dash is here, because there will be more letters after it. We're also going to be working with some blends at the end of the words. This one's st, st. This little dash means that there are letters before the st. Now, don't be confused. St can be at the end of a word too, like in the word first, okay? But we're going to do some words where st is at the beginning also. Another one that we're going to do that's at the end is nd, nd. Okay, so we're going to be doing some of those new blends. Let's go over them again. This is cl, fl, st, nd. Okay, we're going to go over those. And I also have a couple of and sounds that we're going to work on as well. Right? So you are all really familiar with this. So we're going to get started. Let's start with cl, cl. All right, ready? Here we go. Sound, sound, ooh. Sound, ah. Sound, p. Let's blend. K, ooh, ah, p. Word, clap. Very good. Now let's do some fl, fl, fl. So there's going to be something after it. That's what that little dash means. There's going to be something after the fl. Let's do some fl words. Sorry, messy. Gotta have eraser too. I get to erase with my finger. All right. Sound, fl. Sound I. Sound P. Sound S. Let's blend. Fl, I, P, S. Word flips. And our next one, our next fl word. Sound fl. Sound A. Sound G. Let's blend. Fl, A, G. Word flag. If I put an S on it, now it's flags. Our next word. Sound fl. Sound A. Sound P. Let's blend. Fl, A, P. Word flap. Put an S on it, now it's flaps. Let's review the words on this slide. Ready, begin. Clap. Flips. Flags. Flaps. Do you see any rhyming words on there? I don't know. If we took and we erased this S, now do you see any rhyming words? Ooh, if you do, you can send me rhyming words that you see on Class Dojo, or you can ask your mom or dad to help you text message those rhyming words to me. I gave them a phone number that they can message me at, and I will give you credit for those. I'm not going to tell you the answer right now. I'm going to see which ones of you give me that. Oh, look, I forgot to underline, didn't I? The cl. All right. Let's go to our next ones. These are going to be the end sounds, end blends. This one is st, st. Say it with me. St, st. Very good. All right. So let's go ahead and start our first st word. Remember, these are words that end with st. This little line means there's going to be other letters there. Sound. Sound. A. Sound. St. Let's blend. Ast. Word. Fast. Sound. Sound. A. Sound. St. Let's blend. Ast. Word. Mast. Sound. W. Sound. E. Sound. St. Let's blend. W. Est. Word. West. I'm going to do some over here. Running out of space. I write big. Sound. 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 St. Let's blend. St. Word. Must. Sound. R. Sound. E. Sound. St. Let's blend. R. Est. Word. Rest. Ooh, let's review the words that end with st. These are blends that end with st. Ready, begin. Fast, mast, west, must, rest. Now you read them on your own. Ooh, okay. Do you see any rhyming words on there? I think I'm going to give one of them away. There are two different sets of rhyming words on this page. Let's see. Two of them that go together are very obvious. Fast and mast. Those two both rhyme. The rhyme is What's the rhyme? What's the rhyme? Asked, asked. Remember, the rhyme is the sounds at the end of the words. Let's do our next sound. This is nd. Blend, nd. Okay, here we go. Sound, s. Sound, a. Sound, nd. Let's blend. S and. Word, sand. Sound, l. Sound, e. Sound, nd. Let's blend. L, end. Word, blend. Sound, h. Sound, a. Sound, nd. Let's blend. And. Word, hand. Next word, sound, m. Sound, e. Sound, nd. Let's blend. End. Word, mend. Put an S on it. Now it's mends. Good. Mend means to fix or repair something. And lend means that I'm going to let you borrow something. Like I could lend you a pencil, or I could lend you a box of crayons or some scissors. Somebody might lend you some money someday. Let's see, how about this next word? Sound, w. Sound, I. Sound, nd. Let's blend. W, I, nd. Word, wind. I want to tell you about this word real quickly. Wind, this is also spelled the exact same as the word wind. I don't know if you have any toys that you have to wind. You have to spin, you have to turn a little knob on the side of something to wind it. So sometimes this word is wind and sometimes this word is wind. In our story, it's wind. But you just have to think about the sentence and which word makes sense. And I know you're all getting really good at that. Sound, s. Sound, e. Sound, nd. Let's blend. S, and. Word, send. Sound, b. Sound, a. Sound, n. Sound, d. I'm sorry. Sound, nd. Sound, s. Let's blend. B, and, s. Word, bands. You already know that word. You already know the word band. It's from our Alpha Blocks videos. I'll make sure I put some links to those up for you so you can watch those. Let's review these words. Ready, begin. Sand, lend, hand, mends, wind, send, bands. Very good. See if you can find any rhyming words. Oh, I bet I can make more rhyming words if I use the eraser and I take some of these off. I bet you can find some rhyming words in there and text message them to me or send them to me on Class Dojo